Welcome to the best picks. The Best Little People train set is probably one of the most engaging and imaginative toys available for young children, offering hours of interactive fun that encourages creativity and fine motor skill development as little ones push the train along the tracks, load and unload cargo, and create their own exciting railway adventures, making it a fantastic addition to any playroom for toddlers and preschoolers who love to explore and pretend. Number 5. Lego DUPLO Town Airport 10871. Get ready for adventure at the DUPLO Town Airport. This playset is perfect for little ones who love to build and imagine. With large, easy-to-handle building blocks, your child can construct an exciting airport environment. It includes a terminal, a luggage slide, and a control tower. A colorful airplane toy is included, making it easy to role-play exciting journeys. Imagine all the fun of a first flight. Modern characters and accessories bring the airport to life. Your child can explore what happens before a trip, sparking imaginative play. This set is designed for toddlers aged 2 to 5 years. It's a great way to develop fine motor skills and creativity. The airport building is over 8 inches high, and the airplane is over 7 inches long, providing plenty of space for play. What we like? If you have a toddler fascinated by travel and planes, this is the one. It offers interactive elements like a luggage slide and a revolving control tower, perfect for imaginative play before a trip. If you're looking for a toy that sparks conversations about journeys and airport experiences, this airport set is ideal. What people say. The train is very sturdy and well-made, perfect for little hands to grasp and play with. The sounds and lights on the train are engaging for toddlers, keeping them entertained for hours. It's easy to assemble and the track pieces connect securely, allowing for different track configurations. Number 4. SainSmart Junior Wooden Train Set. Crafted from 100% natural birch and beech wood imported from Australia, this toy ensures a safe and durable playtime experience with its smooth edges and non-toxic paint. Spark your child's imagination with our unique double-sided tracks. They can build exciting layouts, like a figure 8, and even learn numbers while playing. Expand their railway adventures. This set seamlessly integrates with popular brands like Brio, Thomas, and Melissa and Doug, offering endless possibilities for their train world. This classic set includes everything needed for hours of fun: magnetic train cars, various tracks, and charming accessories like houses, trees, and people. Looking for a great birthday or holiday gift? This easy-to-build train set is perfect for boys and girls aged 3 to 5, providing tremendous value and lasting enjoyment. What we like? For parents who value natural materials and long-lasting play, this wooden train set is a fantastic choice. Its double-sided tracks encourage creative building and problem-solving, while its compatibility with other major brands means endless expansion possibilities. If you're looking for a durable, versatile, and eco-friendly train set that grows with your child, consider this one. What people say. The train set is easy for little hands to assemble and operate. The train makes realistic sounds and lights up, which my child loves. It's a great toy for imaginative play and encourages creativity. Number 3. Ninja Life Hacks Emotions and Feelings 8-Book Box Set. Discover the Ninja Life Hacks Emotions and Feelings 8-Book Box Set. This collection helps young readers explore a wide range of feelings and understand them better. From feeling angry to feeling kind, each book in this set introduces a different emotion. It's a fun and engaging way for children to learn about their inner world. This comprehensive set includes books covering emotions like inventor, positive, lazy, helpful, earth, grumpy, and more. It provides a complete guide to emotional literacy. Empower your child with the tools to navigate their emotions. These stories offer valuable lessons and encourage empathy and self-awareness. Designed for children aged, insert age range if known, otherwise omit or generalize. This box set is an ideal resource for parents and educators. It makes learning about feelings an adventure. With all 8 books included, this box set offers endless opportunities for discussion and growth. It's a must-have for fostering emotional development. What we like? This product is not a train set, but a book series focused on emotional intelligence for children. If you are looking to help your child understand and manage their feelings through relatable characters and stories, this box set is an excellent resource. It's perfect for parents who want to foster empathy and self-awareness in their little ones. What people say. The train set is very durable and has held up well to frequent use. The train cars connect easily, making it simple for young children to assemble and play with. The track pieces are also easy to connect and stay together securely during play. Number 2. Fisher-Price Little People Musical Christmas Train. Get ready for a magical Christmas adventure with this adorable musical train. It's perfect for little ones to enjoy festive pretend play. Press the conductor's seat to activate cheerful holiday music and fun sound effects. It brings the spirit of Christmas right to your fingertips. Watch as the train cars come to life when you roll it along. The teeter-totter rocks and a festive figure spins for engaging play. This set includes a musical engine, 2 detachable cars, and 3 charming figures, Santa, his elf, and a reindeer. They're ready for holiday journeys. Playing with this train helps little hands develop fine motor skills. It also sparks imagination and encourages storytelling for hours of fun. Designed for toddlers and preschoolers, this toy is a wonderful way to celebrate the holiday season. It's a gift that keeps on giving joy. What we like. If you're searching for a festive and engaging toy for the holiday season, this musical train is a winner. It plays cheerful tunes and has fun actions in its cars, like a teeter-totter and a spinning figure. If you want a toy that brings Christmas spirit and encourages imaginative storytelling for toddlers, this is a perfect fit. What people say. The train set is very durable and has held up well to constant use. My child loves the interactive features, especially the sounds and lights. The track pieces are easy to connect and disconnect, making setup and takedown a breeze. Number 1. Queensell Mexican Train Dominoes Set. Bring home the excitement of Mexican train dominoes with this complete set. It's perfect for game nights with friends and family. This set includes everything you need for an enhanced experience: 91 numbered tiles, trains, a score pad, and a wooden hub. With simple instructions, it's easy for 2 or more players to jump right in. It's a fantastic way to create lasting memories and laughter. Take the fun wherever you go. It conveniently stores and carries all the pieces in a stylish, durable aluminum case. Looking for a great gift? This board game offers hours of fun, laughter, and bonding for adults and families alike. Discover a wide selection of board games and more in our store. Subscribe today for endless entertainment for the whole family. What we like. This is a Mexican train domino set, not a toy train for toddlers. If you're looking for a classic board game that brings adults and families together for hours of strategic fun, this set is ideal. Its comprehensive 91 tiles, included trains, and a durable aluminum case make it perfect for game nights and travel. What people say. The train set is very engaging and keeps my child entertained for hours. The train set is well made and durable, with bright colors that are appealing to children. The train set is easy to assemble and the pieces fit together perfectly. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.